everyone, welcome to a new video. Nice to see you guys checking in today. I'm in Phong Nha. I drove here from Ninh Bình, stopped over in Vinh for a night, and yeah, it was a really nice drive. I didn't take the highway along the coast. I took some smaller roads like this one, and it was really worth it because instead of driving on a highway like this, I drove through the beautiful scenery of Phong Nha National Park. So Phong Nha National Park is home to some of the most greatest or biggest cave systems in the whole world. And today I'm checking out one of them called the Paradise Cave. And yeah, it's a little bit more popular one, so it's already quite touristy, but it's also supposed to be one of the most beautiful, so yeah, let's check it out. Thank you. So for almost double the price of the entrance fee, I could drive around with one of these buggies, but yeah, I'd rather walk. So I made it to the entrance of the cave after around half an hour walk. But I'm definitely not the only one around here, so anyway, let's go check it out. So I arrived at the end of the path through the cave. And I think the cave is around 7 kilometers in total, but they built the paths only about 2 kilometers in. And I gotta say, even though there's so many people around here, it's really impressive. Some of these stones are like structures I've never seen before. And yeah, it was really worth coming here. I mean, yeah, I'll just show you some more. That's it for Paradise Cave. Really beautiful. I can really recommend you doing that when you're in Vietnam. And yeah, this afternoon I'm gonna drive further south to NOWE. So see you guys there.